If you woke up this morning saying, I need a bagel recipe, well, you've come to the right place. This is the bagel recipe that no one's asked me for. To make my bagels, I'm going to be using some warm whey, brown sugar, and yeast. Mix that together and allow that to foam. I'm then going to mix in some bread flour until shaggy, then add in my salt, and then knead it by hand for 10 minutes. Once my dough forms into a ball, I'm going to shape it and place it into a grease blind bowl and allow it to rise for an hour. Once the dough has doubled in size, I'm then going to cut it into 8 pieces and roll it out, knead it, and shape it into the bagel shape. Once my bagels are shaped, I'm going to allow them to rest for 15 minutes while I prepare the boiling liquid, which is whey, water, and honey. I'm going to boil my bagels 1 minute per side and then place them on a cornmeal lined tray and egg wash them. For 4 of the bagels, I topped them with some cheddar cheese and jalapeno, and the other ones I kept simple because they were going to be plain bagels. I then placed my bagels in the oven to bake at 375 degrees for about 23 minutes. These bagels came out absolutely delicious and fluffy. This is me toasting one a few days later so that I can have with some cream cheese. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye!